Want to give your iPhone home screen a fresh look? You can change the way your app icons appear using iOS's built-in customization tools, or go a step further and create completely custom icons with the Shortcuts app. Here's how. If you'd like to design your own unique icons, you'll need the Shortcuts app. It should already be on your device, but if not, you can download it for free from the App Store. Open Shortcuts and tap the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Tap New Shortcut, then rename it with the app's name you want it to open. Once renamed, add the Open App action, then choose the app you want this shortcut to launch. Next, tap the Info button at the bottom and select Add to Home Screen. From here, you can either pick a color and symbol provided by iOS, or tap the Photo option to upload your own image from your gallery or files. Crop the image the way you like, tap Choose, and then Add. Your custom shortcut will now appear on the home screen with the new icon you selected. To keep things neat, long press the original app and choose Remove from Home Screen. You can repeat this process for as many apps as you would like, creating a completely customized home screen that matches your style.